So I'm here with Francesca, a new homeowner and friend. We just finished her pool and she loves it, I think. Let's see what she has to say.
Love our pool. Absolutely gorgeous work. Look how beautiful it looks. Very professional. Did everything on time. Perfect. And Jeff is amazing. And all the guys who came were very professional and quick and did what they were supposed to do. And now I have a beautiful pool.